Hey, what's going, traders? Just wanted to run through the pairs right quick before we jump into the weekend. Try to see if we have anything that we're going to close out. I did close out a couple things after hours, so we'll go over that a little bit here. Um, yeah, so let's run through USD CHF. I don't really see anything here. We closed out on the 21st. I think that's this week. Let me make sure. Yeah, it looks like 28. So 25th is where we're at. So that was old. Let's see here. This is crazy right here. This is a huge jump up. I'm gonna go ahead and close out. We are at. It looks like 4%. So I'll take that 4.09. We'll close this out right now. So that one's gonna look. So something like this, instead of riding that into the next weekend or whatever, or into the next week, I actually want to close out and then readjust for the following. And the reason is that this is a big bar. We're above um, where I thought it was going to react on, to be honest. So I don't know if I feel confident that this is going to keep going higher. And that's just how that is. So I closed that out just to keep myself safe. Okay. This is crazy how big this drop was. This is NZD. We ended up closing this out for 4.4. Probably could have made a little bit more, obviously, here. But yeah, it was a good play. Um, Quick little pullback here. We might have been able to see that, maybe not. It's kind of hard to tell here. Anyways, we're good there. I'll watch this to try to see if it's going to continue to go down for next week, down to baseline, which is around this area from where it's at, which is a huge drop. But we'll keep an eye on that. NZD 4.84 looks like we got out at a good level. It started going sideways, so I went ahead and got out, and that was actually probably a good play. Maybe a time to re-enter right here with the pullback. MACD doesn't look good. We'll see if it keeps going down. It might. I don't know. But yeah, we got a 50 EMA right here that it's going to come up against. So I don't like that as a play to continue playing that. NZD CAD. Let me see here. Okay. NZD CAD bounced right off of this 50 or this 200 EMA like crazy. It's a huge bounce relative. I might have mentioned this that we might bounce from this area back up. Even still, not really much of an entry here that was lining up on the intradays, but on the daily we can definitely see that we've seen it react to this level a couple times. Yeah, I'll have to go back to the old audio, or maybe you guys can go back previous this week and see what I might have said on NZD CAD. I'm gonna get better at time stamping. Eventually, I'm about to pay somebody to clean up the videos as far as pointing out where things are as the subscriber base grows. Just look for that. Anyways, huge bounce. If I'm paying attention here and I can jump in this, that's great. It's not a part of my plan personally, my strategy to pick up and find that. But nonetheless, there was a huge opportunity to get in right in here and ride that up with a relatively safe stop based on what we've seen. It looks like, did I close this out? This is on the 27th. Yeah, I closed this out for 0.76, which is actually a great play. So this is what I was talking about after hours. I closed something out, and that's it. Anyways, this is GBP, so let me stop and create an entire new video for that. All right, peace.